Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be dealing with a particular issue we all face right here for those using fingerprint issues. So if you have this fingerprint issue, this is the right channel for you to get it solved. So without wasting much time, this is what I see and I can't use my fingerprint. So when I open my settings app here, I go straight to my accounts. I go into my sign-in options here. I get this software. This fingerprint option is currently unavailable. Also for my facial recognition, I'll be touching this in another video. But for here, let's go ahead to this one. So we have to set up, and we can't even. What I'm reading here is we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with the Windows Hello fingerprint. So let's get this issue solved in few minutes. So first of all, go ahead to your services, open your service application right here on your PC and look for Windows Biometrics. So make sure Windows Biometrics is going. So Windows Biometrics services. So this is it here. So Windows Biometrics service, double tap this and you should make sure it has a startup on automatic and the service is also running. So if it's not running, click here on start and make sure it is automatic here. So click on apply and click on okay. So that is one. So the next thing to do is open your device manager. So I'm just going to press my Windows and search for my device manager. Yes, I'm going to open this and let's get to solving this issue. So let me zoom on this here. So this is it here. So we can see our synaptic F, whatever is having an issue. We can see this sign on it, this information sign that something is wrong. So I'll double tap here on this. If you can't find this particular driver for your fingerprint sensor, you should find this under your biometric services like this. But if you can't find it, this is how to get it. So you click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and your PC should automatically scan for hardware changes. And also, if you can't see, click on view and click on show hidden devices. This should show everything. So once you've gotten to this stage, double tap on this and go ahead to your driver. Then you can see this. It is showing update driver, disable driver, uninstall driver. So what you have to do here is to update driver. So I'll click here on update driver. I'll click on browse my computer for changes. So I'm going to click on let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. I'm going to tap on this and I will see this and I'm going to double tap on this here and I'm going to have this installed. So it says Windows have successfully updated your driver. Windows have finished. I'm going to click here on close. So that I can also click here on close and you can see that button there has been taken off from here. And let's see if our fingerprint works right now. So I'm going to close this section here, click here on my Windows and open my settings. So let's see if it has fixed this particular issue. Going back to my accounts and I'll go straight into sign-in options. So you can see this here, we can sign in with our fingerprint scanner. I recommend I can add and remove a finger. So this actually works and let's test it out. So this actually works and let me try adding a finger to just to show you all that this works. So you can see welcome to Windows Hello, get started, and I can go ahead to add any fingerprint after typing in my pin. You can see this works. So if this still doesn't work, I'll just advise you get this application here. So this is the name of the application here, your driver booster 13. I'm going to run this like open. And how do we get this application? Get it from your Windows store. So I can get this from my Microsoft store. So once you're done, what you have to do is connect to internet and you have to scan for hardware change. So once the scan is complete, make sure you download all, or you can just basically download for your fingerprint sensor and just click on go, and this should really work well. So if this actually helped, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give what feedback on what you got actually trying to solve. So if it worked for you, please let me know, and if it didn't work for you, just let me know too, and like this video and share this video to people who actually would need this. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.